So, hello everyone, this is Ayush, and today is day number 16 of recording every day. So, yeah, so today I'm going to talk about people actually. So, in life, you are going to have a lot of different people in your life, and most of the people you just met for that specific duration of your life because the life is also very, very long. So some people are going to be with you in the every moment of your struggle and everything you actually do, but some are in your life just to give you a lesson that about how about so that you can mature obviously. And I can't really see in front of me without my glasses, but yeah. So and some will teach you things that was meant to be taught to you, but and I mean, their actions will make you suffer. You will question a lot of things in life, but the one person that is going to be always with you in the entire life is going to be you. And so it is important for you to be kind to yourself, be grateful that you are born, and make sure that you take care of yourself, because at the end of the day it's you versus the whole world, if there are any. And you should not forget who was with you for a certain period, and always be kind to others, because no you don't know what will happen in future. And people change, but most likely uh, then he was I don't know what I so um yeah, life will teach you a lot of lessons, and people see it as a, or do you see it as a, like most people, some people like just get distracted over the fact that they don't get liked by the people they love. And I have eventually faced it, that with the importance you give to someone, and when they are not able to fulfill it, and make and uh, just they just don't understand your worth, and they are at not at a certain point in life, not I mean they are not as serious as you are. And people will judge a lot, I am saying a lot, for your actions and everything you think for. So but I mean, I think I'm repeating a few things, but I think I'm thinking of switching to short form, because the long form is kind of overwhelming, and I don't really. I have to like think a lot before I'm actually do recording, and it hinders my potential. And I'm like at like yeah, at certain point it's quality over quantity, but for me right now, I think I really want to try everything that I have. And in order to do that, I have to switch up something in my content. And when people go cross my paths, it's an ajib feeling. So I'm going down this road, so it's a lot shakier here. But I'm just here for a walk, because in office it was just completely, what do you call it was just completely blank. So yeah, and like I was not able to focus, so I just came out for a run, and I'm now recording. So hmm, so now I'm going to talk about things I learned observing people around me. So the thing I have seen in most of the or in most of my experiences is that people change, but at a point where they need to be changed. Okay, I mean, they will change only when they will have a very strong desire, and they will have to, unless it's very, very, what do you call it, very necessary, then the people change, or for the love, for the people who they love. And I want I want I want myself to be not a people pleaser, but I want myself to be me, because lately I think I'm just trying to please people, but I will work on it. And a certain level of I lack a certain level of confidence that I think I should be having right now, but obviously not everyone is perfect. But I think it's kind of dark now, but you can see them. Oh, it looks beautiful. That was a quick photo session. So, oh, this is also good. This one looks good too, yeah. Yeah. I'm just appreciating everything that is around me. So, don't mind me. for for the life I am up till now, I'm really grateful for everyone who is around me and who is supporting me. And but I have lost the people that like are the ones that cared a lot for me. And it makes me wonder that when will I when then like it it the sudden realization that you will not meet them for the entire life, for the rest of your life, is actually insane. So my advice for you will be that like just be with your parents and the loved ones that you like, because you don't know what will happen to them. And this is coming from a person who have lost both their parents. And it makes me sad, like I now that I think about it, I feel like I should have spent more time with them, because why not? And a lot of things I haven't they would have taught me. But yeah, dogs are just fighting, but just don't mind them. Yeah, it makes me wanna be like just I don't regret anything, but everything is God's plan, of God's plan. But everything happens in a certain way so that you teach, so you learn from it. And and yeah, so you learn from it. And people, um yeah, I don't know what to talk about next. Ah, but it's a great life. And I think I should be completing my steps right now, but I will just go home now. Not go home, but I will just go office again, and I will just chill there for a few minutes, and then I think I'm going to do a round two, because I mean it's dark already, but camera stabilization is really good. I think I'm actually thinking of buying a gimbal or a tripod, because I mean it has MagSafe, so it's really good. I can have a lot of extra possibilities if I have a tripod. But yeah, let's see. In 4 days, I will be having my salary. Today is 26, right? I think 29:30. I will be having my salary. So let's see. I'm also planning to buy new shoes. I mean, these are new, also brand new, but I mean, I should have one more pair for running, and I'm also thinking of running. But let's see how that goes today. I'm not. I think 3 to 4 thousand steps in, and I have 10K to go. So I have. Hello, क्या हुआ?